We have a 2009 rmz250f. Bike is really pretty clean. Traded it for a dual purpose bike. Kid did not race. Don't think he rode it very aggressively. I think who had it before him did. You can see some marks on the frame where it did some jumping and that, but generally everything's really tight and firm and really pretty good, tight, stiff bike. Not a lot of hints of rough wear or abuse. And the little run I took on it, everything worked out really well. Get away. Everything's pretty much stock. Renthal bars, stock exhaust, stock plastics. Does have the factory effect seat. Let me fire it up. Choke it.